Here we have a 2023 Antares 8 by Beneteau, offered by SkipperBud's at Belmar and McRae Harbor in Harrison Township. This particular boat is powered by a single 225 Mercury V6. Does have a full camper enclosure for the stern area, the cockpit area. So you can see a nice sliding window at the pilot door for easy access to the cleat. Let's take a step up. Stepping up into the cockpit area. Nice seating, very large table for entertaining. It does have a starboard port or starboard dive door. Nice sliding glass door. So minimal canvas if you want. To the port side, the dinette table does convert down to a sleeping berth. A little cooktop here with a refrigerator and sink area. Stepping up to the helm. Nice bolstered captain seat. Garmin screen. Does have a bow thruster. Sleeping for two here. And you also have a nice storage area to the stern. As well as a head, separate head. Some of the cushions you see in the cabin are a nice full-size sun pad for the bow as well. VHF radio, standard. And they also have a nice sliding sunroof. Once again, this boat is offered by SkipperBud's here at McRae Harbor, Belmar Harbors in Harrison Township. Please call with any questions. Thank you.